Hi there. Welcome to Petrova AI's product tutorial video. Let's start by creating a new screening. First, click on the plus icon. Enter the screening title, like Business Development Representative. Set the category to Sales, and choose Remote for workplace type. For job type, select Full-time. We'll pick Hiring as the screening type for now, but later in the video, we'll show you how to use the universal workflow for finding top collaborators for any business needs. Next, we'll generate a screening description and a predefined set of screening questions using AI. You can review the questions, select the ones you want, and save them. Finally, click Save to finish setting up your screening. Now let's see how applicants can apply. First, click the Careers page icon on the home page. Here you can view all the available jobs that applicants can browse and apply for. Once an applicant selects a job, a form will appear where they can fill in their details, upload their CV, and submit their application. Let's see how Petrova AI handles the application we just submitted. First, go to the dashboard and click on the Business Development Representative job. Here, you'll see that the CV we submitted was rejected by the AI because it was poor match. Since it didn't meet the requirements, Petrova AI didn't contact the applicant to schedule an interview. If you want to override the AI's decision, you can click the Force Invite button. This moves the candidate to the Direct Invite tab. Next, let's check the mailbox to see if the interview scheduling link was sent. You'll notice the link has arrived. Click the link to schedule the interview. Once the interview is scheduled, you can add it to your calendar. When an interview is scheduled, candidates get an email with the interview link. The link stays disabled until the countdown timer hits 0. Once the timer reaches 0, the candidate can start their interview. Before we dive into how the AI interview works, let's look at another feature: directly inviting applicants to an AI interview without needing to screen their CV first. To do this, go to the Business Development Representative job and click the Invite button. You can then choose to either send the applicant an email invitation or share the interview link directly. You can also customize the email templates and thank you pages to make the experience more personal for each candidate. Plus, Petrova AI takes care of AI-powered follow-ups, keeping candidates engaged and ensuring smooth communication throughout the process. Let's dive into how the AI interview process works. Once the countdown timer reaches 0, the candidate clicks on the Join Now button to access the interview page. The first thing they'll see is a pop-up displaying interview instructions. After reading and clicking I confirm to comply with the instructions, the Proceed button becomes enabled. At the bottom of the page, there is a small form. However, this form will not appear for users accessing the interview via a scheduling link, as their details are already known. Once the applicant begins the interview, they will see a question displayed on the screen. They need to read the question, record their response, and submit it. This process repeats for each question until all have been answered. At the end of the interview, the candidate is taken to a thank you page, confirming the completion of the process. Right after the interview, Petrova AI provides you with detailed interview insights and hiring signals. Let's click on the Business Development Representative job to review the results. Petrova AI has already analyzed the interview and determined whether the applicant should move forward or not. Applicants are categorized into two groups. AI pre-selected. These candidates are recommended for further review as they show strong potential. AI rejected. These candidates may not be the best fit for the role, allowing hiring teams to focus on more suitable applicants. However, if you'd like to override the AI's decision, you can bypass it and move the candidate to the next stage manually. Before diving into how the final stages work, let's explore the Interview Insights page. You can access it by clicking the Insight link for any candidate. The Insights page includes AI Score, a comprehensive evaluation based on video responses, facial expressions, and speech patterns. AI Interview Summary, key takeaways from the candidate's responses. Candidate videos, for reviewing answers visually. AI-generated transcripts, a text-based record of the interview. AI Snapshots, highlighting any suspicious behavior during the interview. For seamless team collaboration, you can use the Team Notes feature to leave comments for your colleagues. Additionally, you can share the Insights page directly with team members for real-time collaboration. Petrova AI seamlessly manages all the logistics for subsequent interviews. If custom interviews are required, you can change the candidate's status to custom interview to adjust the process as needed. Alternatively, if you're ready to finalize a decision based on Petrova AI's evaluation, you can move the candidate directly to hired or disqualified. In this case, since the candidate performed poorly, let's update their stage to disqualified. Let's explore the universal workflow screening type. This option is super flexible and can be used for many business needs. You can use it to hire employees, find co-founders, or select franchise partners. The universal workflow helps you find the right people for the job. With this workflow, you can invite collaborators directly using the direct invite feature. They simply use the invite link to complete the screening process. Once the collaborator you invited finishes, the AI analyzes their application and provides insights to help you decide whether to move them forward or not. Let's explore the different pages and settings available to help you manage everything smoothly. First, there's the Analytics page, where you can track all your applications and see how things are progressing. Next, we have the Settings page, where you can update your company information and details. In the Admin workspace, you can manage roles and set job permissions for your team members or clients, giving them the exact access they need. If you're working with external systems, there's a custom webhook feature. Just provide a webhook URL, and Petrova AI will send a post request to that URL every time a new application is received for a job. Moving on, the White Label Setup tab lets you update your company's logo, domain, and meta tags, making everything look just right for your brand. You can manage payments and invoices from the Manage Billing tab, and even send emails directly from your server using the SMTP settings. Finally, you can customize your company's careers page to make it look the way you want, ensuring applicants have a great experience when they visit. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please use the live chat feature to get assistance.